Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Xbox with a Microsoft account you want to earn rewards on. Once signed in, make sure online features and activity tracking are enabled so points can register. Next, open the Microsoft Rewards experience from the store or the Rewards app on console. This attaches your Xbox activity to the Rewards program. Do this now so your gameplay, quests, and searches will begin accumulating toward points immediately, and you won't miss daily opportunities. Once you're set up, focus on consistent, repeatable actions that earn points. Complete the daily Xbox quests. These often include playing specific games or hitting achievement milestones because they give reliable points. Use Microsoft Edge on your console to do searches and take short quizzes tied to rewards. These are quick and stack up. Also, make eligible purchases or link your mobile rewards account to Xbox to combine earnings. Keep an eye on the rewards dashboard so you target the highest value tasks first. To finish, redeem accumulated points for Xbox gift cards, Game Pass time, or store discounts directly from the rewards dashboard. Choose the reward and confirm redemption. Make sure to track point totals and recent activity to verify everything posted correctly. If points are missing, first sign out and back in, then restart your console to force a sync. Check that the same Microsoft account is used. If problems persist, use the Xbox support channels and include activity times so they can investigate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.